Hello, everyone. Couple questions. What's the number one thing that individuals and companies have in common that allow them to enjoy tremendous success? The other question is, what is it that many individuals and companies also have that prevents them from growing and achieving and having success? Curious? I've got the answer, and I'll share it with you on October 16th at the Modesto Chamber of Commerce, where I will be facilitating a Dale Carnegie workshop. What can you expect from the workshop? It will be a hands-on learning experience. You'll walk away with the answers to the questions that I just posed. You'll also have an opportunity to assess what your strengths are and how those strengths are going to lead you to greater personal success. You will have the opportunity to take tangible ideas and convert those ideas into results, because you'll be making commitments in this workshop. Commitments of what you're going to do differently as a result of some of the ideas that you gained. If you're concerned that this program is just one of those typical, hey, sit down and let us pitch you a product, let me tell you right now, that will not happen. We are a professional organization. We have built a reputation on providing results. Expect results when you attend this program, not some pushy salespeople, but rather learn about the 5 drivers that make individuals and companies more successful. Come to understand how you can take yourself from where you stand today to where you need to be in a relatively short span of time. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the October 16th Dale Carnegie Workshop. That'll be at the Modesto Chamber of Commerce starting at 6 p.m. To register or for more information, please send me an email. Paul.Bagan, B like boy, A-G-A-N as in Nancy, at Dale Carnegie, CARNEGIE.com. Until the 16th, have a great day. Thanks for listening.